Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate user onboarding with Intercom, full guide step by step clearly. To automate user onboarding with Intercom, begin by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the Product Tours section in your dashboard. Click on the New Tour button to create a new onboarding experience. Choose a name for your tour that reflects its purpose. Select the type of tour you want to create, such as a full-screen tour or a step-by-step guide. Next, define the target audience for your onboarding tour. Specify the segments of users who will see this tour upon their first login. Set triggers to determine when the tour should start. You can choose to start the tour on specific pages or after certain events. Now, move to the Add Steps section to create the individual onboarding steps. For each step, choose a type, such as a tooltip, modal, or spotlight. Write your content clearly and concisely for each step. Include any relevant images or GIFs to enhance visual understanding. Adjust the positioning of each step on the screen for optimal visibility. Use the preview feature to see how your tour will appear to users. Test your tour by viewing it as a user would. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. After finalizing the tour, click the Publish button to make it live. Monitor user engagement with the onboarding tour using Intercom's analytics features. Gather feedback from users to continually refine the onboarding experience. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your user onboarding process with Intercom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.